क्वेश्चन, राइट द एडजेसेंसी एंड इंसिडेंस मैट्रिक्स ऑफ द फॉलोइंग ग्राफ्स। मतलब जो नीचे अभी हम ग्राफ्स ड्रॉ करेंगे उसका एडजेसेंसी और इंसिडेंस मैट्रिक्स आपको क्या करना है, ड्रॉ करना है। ओके, मतलब लिखना है। सो द फर्स्ट वन, फर्स्ट एग्जांपल, I'll draw the graph here. See, this is the graph. Try to solve this one. That means try to write the incidence and adjacency matrix of this one. So first I'll write the adjacency matrix of this given graph. You also try to solve it in your notebook. Okay, so adjacency matrix, adjacencies exist between the two vertices. So the matrix is between vertex to vertex. Okay, how many vertices are there? So I'll write here the vertex set V is equal to, how many vertices are there? Vertices are there, U1, U2, U3, U4 and U5. 5 vertices are there, and the number of edges are how? The number of edges are
10.
1 to 10. 1, 2, 3, up to 10. 10 number of edges are there in this graph. So adjacency matrix is between vertex to vertex. So there are total 5 vertices. So this is your vertex U1, first row, second row, third row, fourth row, and then fifth row. So it is a 5 by 5 matrix because there are 5 number of vertices. Adjacency matrix of the graph G. And column wise also, first column U1, second column U2, third column U3, fourth column U4, and the fifth column is U5. Okay. Now just try to write the entries of this U1 to U1.
0.
How many edges are there
0.
between U1 to U1?
0.
0. U1 to U2, one edge is there between U1 to U2.
1.
Remember, in adjacency matrix, we have to write the number of edges between that pair of vertices. Okay, U1, U3 के बीच में कितने edges है?
1.
1.
1. U1, U4, no edges there between U1 to U4, so 0. And U1 to U5, one edge is there.
1.
Always remember, in the adjacency matrix only, the row and corresponding row and column are always identical. मतलब first row और first column name हमेशा क्या होते हैं? Same होते हैं. So I'll just copy the first row as it is in a first column. Okay. Then U2 to U2, no edges between U2 to U2 means no
0.
is there, so it is 0. U2 to U3, how many edges are there between
2.
U2 to U2? 2 edges are there. U2 to U4, no edges there between
0.
U2 to U5, no edges there. Then same second row, I'm copy as it is in the second column. So this is 2, 0, 0. Then U3 to U3, no edges there between U3 to U3. U3 to U4, one edge is there. U3 to U5, again one edge is there.
1.
So third row and third column should be identical. So this should be 1, 1. Then U4 to U4. Yes, what is the entry of U4 to U4 now?
2. 3.
Sure?
4.
It is 2. Number
2.
of edges.
2.
We have to write the number of edges. So 2 self loops are there. So it is 2. And U2 to U4 to U5. How many edges are there between
1.
U5? 1. So same we'll copy here. And then U5 to U5. 0.
0.
So that is your adjacency matrix. Clear? Now, incidence matrix, the second one. Now, incidence matrices exist between the edges and vertices. Okay, so the rows are represents the vertex and column represents the edges. Okay, so incidence matrix RG. So U1, U2, U3, U4, and U5. Okay, row wise. And then column. How many edges are, sorry, column represents the edges, number of edges. So how many edges are there?
10.
10 edges are there. Okay, so the first edge is 1, then 2, edge number 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, now first edge E1. E1 is exists between which two vertices? U1 and U2, right? So U1 and U2 is 1, 1. U1 is 1, U2 is also 1, and rest all the entries of that column are 0 of 1. Now 2, edge 2 is between U2 and U3, and edge 3 is also between U2 and U3. मतलब 2 and 3 दोनों edges between U2 and U3 के लिए देखो. So H2 is also between U2 and U3, and the remaining entries of that column are 0. Similarly, edge E3 is also between U2 and U3. So rest entries are 0. Then U4. U4 कहाँ पे? U4 is between U3 and U5. यहाँ पे देखो U3 and U5 के बीच में. Okay, so U3 and U5 के लिए 1 1 आएगा. 4 के लिए 4 के कॉलम में U3 and U5 is 1 1. You have 1 and 1, and the rest entries are 0 in that column. Then U5. U5 is between U3 and U4. U3 and U4 के बीच में. U3 and U4 के बीच में, and the rest entries are 0, right? Then U6, sorry, H6. H6 is between U4 and U5. U4 and U5. H6 is between U4 and U5. And the remaining entries are 0. U7 is between, I think, U5 and U1. U5 and U1, मतलब U1 U5 के बीच में H7. U1 U5. So U1 is equal to 1 and U5 is also equal to 1. And the remaining entries of that column are 0. E8. E8 कहाँ पे? Sorry, 8. Edge 8. Edge 8 is between U1 and 5. U3. U1 and U3. So U1 is equal to 1 and U3 is also equal to 1. And the remaining entries of that column are 0. Now U9 and U10 are the self loop at
U4.
U4. मतलब U4 के लिए 2 आएगा, 9 के लिए, और बाकी एंट्री 0 आएगी. राइट. सिमिलरली U10 के लिए भी U4 को 2 आएगा, and the rest entries of that column are 0. So this is your incidence matrix. Okay, so like that we can write the incidence matrix of the given graph and adjacency matrix. मतलब अगर ग्राफ दिया है तो उससे हम मैट्रिक्स लिख सकते हैं. इसका उल्टा भी होता है. मीन्स if you have to given either incidence matrix or adjacency matrix, then from the matrix you have to draw the graphs also. मतलब आपको ग्राफ भी ड्रॉ करना होता है. ठीक है. अभी उसका इसका उल्टा एग्जांपल हम लेते हैं. मीन्स इफ the matrix is given, then how to draw the graph of that matrix. Okay, so the example is draw the adjacency, draw the graph of the following adjacency matrix. Okay, मतलब adjacency matrix दिया रहेगा and we have to draw the graph of that adjacency matrix. Okay, so I'll draw the graph here. Adjacency matrix A of G is equal to 1, 2, 0, 0. So this is 2, 0, 0. First row and first column should be identical in a adjacency matrix. Means corresponding row and column should be identical. Then this is 1 0 1 0 1, then 0 2 2, and this is 0. Okay, so this is our adjacency matrix. It is given adjacency matrix, and we have to write the we have to draw their graph of this adjacency matrix. इस adjacency matrix का हमें क्या करना है, ग्राफ ड्रॉ करना है. तो कैसे करेंगे, तो अभी यहाँ पे 4x4 matrix है. This is the given 4x4 matrix, means that graph contains 4 number of vertices. How many number of vertices exist in that graph? 4 vertices, because adjacencies exist between the vertex to vertex. So अभी यहाँ पे नाम नहीं दिया है vertex को, so I'll give the name to the vertices. So the first vertex is A, B. अगर नहीं दिया है तो आप नाम दे सकते हो अपने तरीके से, and this is D. Similarly, this column wise also A, B, C, and D. Okay, so there are the 4 vertices. Now first I'll take the position of the vertices. कैसे भी आप positions ले लो. So this is vertex A, then this is vertex B, this one is vertex C, and this is the vertex D. Now these 4 positions I'll take it here. आप ऐसे उल्टे भी रिवर्स ऑर्डर में ले सकते हो. You can take the position of the vertices in reverse order also. मतलब A, B, C, D. So it doesn't matter. That position आप अपने तरीके से ले सकते हो. So that's why the graph will be looks different as per your position of the vertices. Okay. Now A to A. What is the entry of between A to A?
1.
1.
Loop.
That means there will be a
Loop.
one edge between A to A. मतलब self loop is there between vertex A to A. ठीक है. Then A to B. How many edges are there between A to B?
2. Incident.
2.
2 edges are there between A to B. So A to B के बीच में आपको क्या करना है, 2 edges draw करने हैं. So this is the one edge and this is the second edge. Okay. Then between A to C, no edges there between A to C, and A to D के बीच में भी edge नहीं है. Okay. Clear? So this is about the first row. अभी सेकेंड रो को स्टार्ट करते हो B to B से स्टार्ट करना है आपको, क्योंकि B to A, number of edges between B to A is 2. That already we drawn it here. B to A. A to B or B to A is the same thing. So that's why you have to start it with the B to B. So how many edges are between B to B?
1.
It is there, self loop at the vertex B. B to C, no edges between B to C, and there is one edges between B to D. So B to D के बीच में एक edge है. So I'll draw the one edges between B to D. ठीक है? Then
सर B2B ऑलरेडी आहेत ना 2 एजेस.
कुठे?
B2B.
नाही, B to B कुठे? एकच एज आहे ना. B to A आहेत ना 2 edges.
हां.
B to A. त्यामुळे ते आपण परत नाही दाखवले आपण. कारण ऑलरेडी A to B आणि B to A सेम नंबर ऑफ एजेस येणार ना. त्यामुळे इथे आपण A to B चे आपण घेताना 2 एजेस ऑलरेडी ड्रॉ केले. सो देयर इज नो नीड टू ड्रॉ वन्स अगेन फ्रॉम B to A. मग ते B to A परत आपण ड्रॉ केले तर 4 एजेस होतील. हे 2 + 2 असे 4 एजेस होतील. आलं लक्षात?
हां सर.
ओके. सो नाउ सी के लिए स्टार्ट करते हैं. हम कहाँ से स्टार्ट करेंगे? C to C से स्टार्ट करेंगे, क्योंकि ऑलरेडी C to A and A to C is the same, and C to B and B to C is already same. So start with C to C. Is there any edges at the vertex C? No. Then C to D. C और D के बीच में कितने edges है? 2 edges है.
2.
I'll draw the edges, 2 edges between C to D. ठीक है? Then and D to D. Is there any edges at vertex D to D? No edges there, because already we drawn the edges D to A, D to B, and D to C. So this is your graph G. ये आपका ग्राफ G हो गया of that given incidence matrix.